We've already removed more than 100,000 troops, and Iraqi forces have taken full responsibility for the security of their own country. Last year, we removed 10,000 U.S. troops from Afghanistan. This week, because Democrats and responsible Republicans came together, the government was reopened, and the threat of default was removed from our... We've been taking out ISIL leadership, and this week we removed one of their top leaders from the battlefield permanently. Working with other nations, we've removed or secured enough nuclear material for more than 150 nuclear weapons, material that will now never fall into the hands of terrorists. We've seen trillions of dollars of wealth removed, and it's going to take some time to catch up. We are less than 8 years removed from the deadliest attack on American soil in our history.
My situation is I had renal cell carcinoma in '98 that was radiated because my dad was dying of colon cancer at the time, and I was his healthcare surrogate on his living will. So I could not be tied up having my kidney removed.
أعتقد إن الزيارة بتاع رئيس أوباما القاهرة الحقيقة محل تقدير العالم الإسلامي، لأن العالم الإسلامي كان متوقع أن الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية ضد الإسلام. خطاب الرئيس أوباما الحقيقة كان خطابا رائعا أزال هذه الشكوك وبسرعة غريبة جدا.
The importance of the Cairo visit was very appreciated by the Muslim and Islamic world, because the Islamic world had thought that the US was against Islam, but his great, fantastic address there has removed all those doubts.
We have removed American combat brigades from Iraqi cities and set a deadline of next August to remove all our combat brigades from Iraqi territory.
Remember this huge billboard with his likeness? It was removed yesterday from Times Square.
Since my administration took office, we have removed nearly 100,000 troops and ended our combat mission in Iraq. As one of hundreds of thousands of Americans with Down syndrome, Rosa worked with her parents and her siblings to have the words mentally retarded officially removed from the Health and Education Code in her home state of Maryland.
Specifics, we have not removed any option from the table. Yes, Jay.
Jay, as dangerous as the situation is.
In Afghanistan, we removed the Taliban government, which had given bin Laden and al-Qaeda safe haven and support.
In the summer of 1775, we were barely 2 months removed from Paul Revere's ride and the shot heard round the world.
After years of conflict, the United States has removed 100,000 troops from Iraq. The United Kingdom has removed its forces, and our combat mission there has ended.
For this operation, with American support, to continue for a further year? And is there any other definition of success than Gaddafi being removed from power?
Well, first of all, Jim, just a slight correction. What I told the American people was that the initial phase